Welcome to the Eddie V channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on an Infiniti Q50. It is one of the most simplest things to do is to change the cabin air filter on an Infiniti Q50. I don't know about the Q60, but on Q50 it is, on any year, any model Q50, it's very easy. Here's what you do. So you open this up, take stuff out, whatever you need, and then with one hand on one side, you pull it out, let this thing kind of drop, and it's holded by this little thing over here. And then if you could see, there's the one cover over here that you take off. Then there's another cover here that you got to take off. It's all clipped on, and that's where your cabin air filter would sit. That is the blower fan. I got the cabin air filter from Napa, so I'm going to replace that. I had to take this out in some of my earlier videos of me building this Q50 because there was a mouse nest in there, so basically had to clean that all out in order for it to get working. Then you simply just supposed to be able to just on an angle slide it in. Once it's slid in, you're good to go. It's in there. You might, there you go. And then I'm gonna put this piece back in there. All right, this is where it would clip on over here. Next, you want to put back this unit back here. It's kind of tricky to always put things in, but once you get them in, you just snap right on. And as far as the glove compartment, you just, this side goes in first, this side goes in last. Done. And then just to check to see if it actually works, and it does work, so you're good to go. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.